Good morning, everyone. Open your science book, page 78. What is the day today? Today is Monday, 29th of March, 2021. Listen to needs and benefits of farm animals. Remember that we talked about farm animals. Farm animals belong to mammals, birds, or fishes. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about needs and benefits of farm animals. Okay, remember that we talked about the animals' need in the first semester. So number 1 is food. Animals need food. And the second one, animals need water, shelter, air, and care. So again, the first thing, food, water, shelter, air, and also what? Care. So the animals need food to live, air to breathe, and shelter to live on it, water to drink, and this is a new word, it is care. So animals need 5 things: food, air, shelter, water, and care. Okay? So open your book and write it. Food, air, shelter, water, and care. This is the animals' need. Look at the picture here. The farmer put the food to animals. Yeah, tell me, what is the name of the animal of this picture? It is cows. The cows eating food. Okay, what about benefits? What is benefit? Benefit? فوائد. Okay, tell me, what is the benefits of farm animals? The animals give us products such as what? Such as milk, eggs, wool, hot dog, cheese, and honey. Yeah, tell me, the name of the animal give us milk? It is sheep and cow. And who's give us eggs? Chicken. Wool from sheep. Hot dog from cow. Cheese from cow. It's a milk product. We make cheese from milk. What about honey? The honey? Who's make honey? The bee. Okay? So, we're gonna write the benefits here, such as meat, eggs, milk, wool, honey, meat, eggs, milk, wool, honey, and cheese. So this is what the animals benefits. Okay? So write here the benefits. And now move to the next page. Here, look at these pictures. What does each animal do? Look at the first picture. It is duck. What does the duck do? Drinking water. So the duck drinking water. It is what animals need. The duck need water because the duck thirsty. And the second one, what does the sheep do? Eating grass. Grass, it is a food for sheep. So eating food. And the last picture, where does the duck go? Go to the shelter. Because the shelter, it is a home to animals. It's a place where does the animal live on it. So goes or going